If you're experiencing issues with your Nintendo Switch graphics settings and need to restore them, follow these simple steps to recover the settings quickly. Step 1. Access System Settings. Navigate to the home screen on your Nintendo Switch and select the System Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Step 2. Scroll to TV Settings. In the System Settings menu, scroll down the left sidebar until you reach TV Settings. Select it to access the display options. Step 3. Adjust Resolution. Under TV Settings, look for the Resolution option. Ensure that it is set to automatic or select the appropriate resolution for your TV to optimize graphics. Step 4. Check Display Output. Next, go to Display Output and verify that the output is set correctly for your TV. Make sure it matches the capabilities of your display to enhance graphics performance. Step 5. Restart your console. After making the necessary adjustments, restart your Nintendo Switch. This will apply the changes and help restore your graphics settings effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Nintendo Switch graphics settings quickly and enjoy your gaming experience.